Henry Brick is a red clay brick manufacturer. We've been in business since 1945. We make two different sizes, a modular size and a queen size. We probably load 25 to 30 semi-trucks a day, all with Toyota forklifts provided by the Lilly Company.
I've had no problems working with the Lilly Company. They're Johnny on the spot when I call them about parts or with a service issue. I can talk to somebody in the maintenance shop, get a quick answer from them. If it's a problem that I can't solve and handle on my own, they'll get somebody down here to help me fix it.
Toyota has increased our utilization of the forklifts through their mechanical stability and less mechanical breakdowns. We operate outdoors in all kind of weather, and it's not the smoothest terrain, so they take up a pretty good abuse. They've been a very reliable forklift.